Once upon a time, in the quaint village of Sindh, there lived a group of friends named Ali, Sarah, and Bilal. They were known for their camaraderie and their knack for solving problems together. The village was facing a unique challenge. The river that provided water to their fields had dried up, leaving the crops thirsty and the villagers worried. One sunny day, the friends gathered under the ancient banyan tree in the heart of the village. As they sat in a circle, brainstorming ideas, Ali, the natural leader, suggested, "We need to find a way to bring water back to our fields. I've heard of a wise old man who lives on the outskirts of the village. Maybe he can help." Excitement filled the air as the trio set off on a journey to seek the advice of the wise old man. Along the way, they encountered various challenges: a thorny thicket, a mischievous monkey, and a rickety bridge. However, with Bilal's strength, Sarah's cleverness, and Ali's leadership, they overcame each obstacle. Finally, they reached the wise old man's humble abode. With a twinkle in his eye, he listened to the friends' predicament and said, "To solve this problem, you must work together and dig a network of channels to redirect water from a nearby spring to your fields." The friends returned to the village with newfound hope and shared the old man's advice. The entire village rallied behind them, and soon, shovels and pickaxes were distributed. The friends, leading by example, began digging channels, and the villagers joined in. Days turned into weeks, and the once dry fields started to flourish with life. The village of Sindh was no longer in despair. It was a testament to the power of leadership, teamwork, and problem-solving. The trio, Ali, Sarah, and Bilal, became local heroes, and the story of their journey spread throughout Sindh. The friends learned that in the face of challenges, unity and leadership could turn a barren land into a thriving oasis. And so, the village of Sindh continued to prosper, its fields lush and its people grateful for the lessons learned under the wise old banyan tree.